Hey guys, we're here with Tat Granata from Florida Home Improvement Associates today in Ocala, Florida, where more than 90% of the hurricane impact glass in the entire state is made. Thanks for being here with us today, Tat.
I'm glad I could be here. This has been a great day.
This glass goes into the windows that you install around the state, correct?
Yes, definitely. A lot of the windows that we do, and for over a decade now, we've had a great relationship with this manufacturing facility, so it's been a great partnership.
We've had a tour of the facility today. It's pretty incredible. They have created a superior product here.
We love the relationship we have with Custom Window Systems. Their attention to detail and making a great product and making sure that the families and homes in Florida are safe is second to none.
We're actually standing right here by some glass that has just been insulated or is getting insulated. Is that right?
Yeah, these just came out. I believe these were just filled with the argon gas. These are hurricane impact glass units that have the argon gas as well as the Solar Max technology, which reflects the heat away to make the home that much more comfortable.
It is fascinating to see the edge of this, and you have basically the three layers on the outer edge. You have the glass, and then in the middle, that's the layer that really is crucial, right?
The hurricane impact glass that's also energy efficiency has the layer of impact protection, which is glass with a PVP vinyl inner layer in between with another piece of glass. Then it has the sealer, which has the argon gas, and then a sacrificial piece of glass as well. So most folks don't see how thick that unit is and why it provides so much energy efficiency.
Yeah, when you see it like this and you feel it, just the heaviness, the sturdiness of it, you can be assured that you're going to be safe in a hurricane.
Custom Window Systems have been on the innovative side for over a decade now, where they've really been pushing energy efficiency. So they do a fantastic job.
Great product, and you are one of their top installers around the state, so that's a win-win for the homeowner.
It sure is.
All right, thanks so much. Tat Granata from Florida Home Improvement Associates.